Hello guys.
Yes, where are we going now?
We are happy to tell you the truth. We are going to Philippines.
Yeah, we're going for vacation. Yay! Vacation time.
Vacation time.
Yeah, nasa
Let's go.
airport na kami. And nakapag-check-in na rin. So, we'll go to the boarding na. Boarding is mamaya pa.
Mamaya.
Okay.
Kain muna.
Daddy. And terminal. Fly now. Or terminal 2. So, departure gate muna tayo.
So yun guys, pahanap muna kami ng mga kainan.
Nakapasok na kami.
Napasok na kami sa immigration.
So, kakain muna kami dahil hindi pa kami nag-aalmusal.
Hindi ka pa nag-almusal, okay?
Okay. Okay.
So ayun, maglalakbay muna kami sa pinakamahabang airport.
Boarding time. Boarding time.
Our multinational cabin crew on board today come from
Board,
countries and speak 9 languages.
Where?
If there's
Dubai
anything
muna
that
to.
please let us know.
Sirain ko na to.
Yeah, you can. Bigat natin. Ay, grabe ko naman.
Bus lang po eh.
Di makakalipad naman tayo in Jesus' name. Traveling mercy upon us. Okay. Parehas kami, chicken. Parehas na in order chicken.
1 eternity later.
Where are we now?
Guys, dito na tayo.
Ayun na, doon ka na ulit. Dubai ka na? Ay, gumaganap na. O sige, medyo. Connecting flight.
Dito muna tayo ng mga 3 hours.
Dito muna kami. Tambay-tambay. Ikot-ikot sa duty free ng Dubai. While waiting for our connecting flight. We're on our connecting flight. So, let's see. Manila na. Nakapag-board na.
The next day,
We are now in Manila.
Ito na naman. Dito.
So we're here again.
Dito na naman kami sa Bayan Sinilangan.
Okay. And we're done with our immigration. And madali na lang siya.
Dali na lang kasi naman.
So you need to get your, ano to? You need your boarding pass and passport.
Okay.
Boarding pass and passport. And now we're waiting for our luggage.
Kapit na.
A few moments later.
Hey, hi! Say hi to the vlog! Hi,
Dito
Seiya!
kami sa BGC.
And we're here in BGC. BGC. Para kumain. Para kumain. No, kakain muna tayo before going home. And we're from airport. Kasama siya nagsundo. Siya ang anak ng sister ko. There. Ay, yung pala yung gentleman monster eh. Oo.
Lapit ka na. Hello.
Oo nga, nakapila.
Ano yan? Pipila dyan sa loob?
Gentle Monster. Alam mo yung isang shade ni Christian na nag-worth 300 euro? Gentle Monster siya. Puro salamin nga daw dyan. Arrive na eh. Arrive na tayo, ma. Bakit? Ganda. Ganda. We are now in the typhoon. Lagyan mo na lang dyan. Nasaan na tayo? Din Typhoon.
Sa BGC.
Yeah. Din Typhoon. And we're ready na. So we're waiting lang for the... It's Din Typhoon.
Okay.
So... Ha? And here's our order. Kulang pa. Solo lang ba yan? Ano masasabi mo sa kinakain mo?
Masarap naman. Ito lang.
Sakto lang? Ha?
Medyo matabang. Sabi ko.
Matabang. Para sa inyo yan, matabang. Busog ka naman? Ikaw, nabusog ka ba? Nabusog ka ba?
Nabusog yung mata.
Busog ka? That's fish.
What kind of fish?
Fish fillet siya.
Basta. Taob mo, no? So, ano masasabi mo sa loto?
Okay naman. Gusto ko yung shrimp.
Okay.
Shrimp. Yung to. The Taulong Bao. Ice tea. The pork chop.
Okay. Good.
Ay talaga.
Ulit ka pa?
Low salt siya. Okay. Yeah. I can.
Okay.
Low salt ako.
Low salt. Okay. Dito lang yan sa Din Typhoon.
after a long hours,
We are here now. We are here now in Caloocan. Hi, babies!